Wonder shall never end. Wahala be like waiting again. Apostle Kassy Chukwu and the prophet Dr Onu Emeka. My people, wahala be like bicycle. The saga continue. First of all, my first greet to now before I go present this video. May una for watch the video. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based on where you are watching me from. If you're my returning subscriber, may God bless you. And if you like this video, you want to subscribe free and turn on the notification bell. Thanks. Okay, my people, and I know say pastor matter. You get as they take the pull mat. They shook man they put not be everything person they shook man they put, but waiting consign pastor you get as they take they they put mat for inside. My people, not be small saga the thing self me I'm confused. I can't imagine say all these people, so they not be pastor. They not be pastor. Wait till they want they teach people now. I don't know whether na saga whether na quarrel. I don't know. My people, I don't know what I want to talk for this matter. So my present this video more na for CD.
This message is to Kassy Chukwu, who has been ranting on social media every day. Listen to me. I'm not preaching to members. I only want to address Kassy Chukwu, the one they call Apostle Kassy Chukwu, who call himself a pastor. All the time you keep using microphone to talk rubbish on the altar. When will you preach salvation to your members? When will you preach truth to your members? When will you preach the message to your members? All the time you counter men of God. You talk against ministers of God. At times, you will be the one to still say, men of God are not united. Why is it that pastors are not united? Why is it that there's no cooperation among the body of Christ? And yet, you that call yourself Kassy Chukwu, you are the one see coming to counter men of God. And you are saying that there is no unity in the body of Christ. Kassy Chukwu, you know I have been looking at you. Know that I don't have what to say. I just want your cup to full. Your cup never full. Oh, I have details about you. If I want to finish you now, you will leave Facebook. You will leave Facebook entirely. You will leave social media. Kassy Chukwu, do you remember? You were the one who chatted me first on my WhatsApp. You say I celebrate grace, sir. I don't know who gave you my number. My phone is here. I have the details here. You chatted me. And you say I celebrate grace, sir. I don't know who gave you my number. Look at it. Look at it. I have to store it as Apostle Kassy Chukwu. He said, I greet you, sir. And anytime someone send me a message will be responded. Thank you for your message. I'm Prophet Dr Emeka. That is the message that will be responded. I said, God bless you. Because I can see on Truecaller that he is the one chatting. Now, what is the issue now? The issue is, I prophesied about Tinubu. I said, I did not say God told me that Tinubu will not become. I said Tinubu is not going to become the president. That he shouldn't waste his money at all. If he must become the president, let him come and see me. I didn't say God told me. Are you listening to me? I didn't say God told me that you should come and see me. There is a man I see coming out for presidential election, but I see his health is going to fail him.
KC, how many times did I call you? You are calling me your boy. You are calling me your son. And you went and confirmed little things in Awuchi. You don't really know me. We've not met. You confirmed little things about me in Awuchi. And you think those things are concrete evidence to be used against me? Kassy, you mentioned Philomena at GT Bank. You will provide that Philomena to come out and testify. Blessing Momo you talked about, actually she was my member. She was an usher in the church. She isn't my wife. She wasn't my girlfriend. She was an usher in the church until she was suspended. Kassy, you are. You don't confirm things before you come out on social media. Do you think I do arrange like you? Now, for you to know that I carry power. Are you listening to me? For you to know that I carry power, you will end up by accident. Are you listening to me? Whatever you say you have as a concrete fact, say it to the public. Stop pretending that this one is calling you. They are begging you not to talk. Not to talk what? You call me your boy. You look at me. Can you stand and call me that I'm your boy? You mentioned a girl that said you want to come and give me cake 2 years ago, and the girl died. Died of what? Who was the girl that want to come and give me cake? The person giving you this information did not give you a very vital information. The person gave you a wrong information. You said I've created a bad name in this Awuchi. If I've created a bad name and my church is still going on, I've created a bad name and God is still helping me. Kassy, you are see, Kassy, mind